Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another fun unboxing. And what we have here, against all odds, because I got a message earlier today where it said, your package may have been lost. But guess what? It's right here, thanks to Amazon. And it could come in different colors, like look at this. And of course, it's a Coobeen because it's cool. It's the coolest bean you've ever tried. Anyway, this is supposed to be glow-in-the-dark filament. I'm not sure if it works or if it's any good, but it looks cool, man. It looks cool. Let's check it out right here. PLA. So plastic that should be easy to 3D print with, and we'll give it a shot. And if it works well, I'll give it a really good review because I got this for free for once. Yes, someone was brave enough to send me something for free. But if it sucks, it's still getting the barcode.
Likey.